Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of President Energy PLC. Now this stock is listed in London Stock Exchange, so do take care about this fact. Now if you are looking at the overall chart since 2004-2005, this stock has been in a declining spree. So I know there is one point that you can't, why should we look this kind of stock which is in a long term downtrend, okay, because in the past 14 or 15 years it's been in a downtrend. But there is another way to look at this particular chart, and you can clearly see that the stock is probably looking for a retracement. So what we are actually looking here is a trading bounce back, rather than we are looking for an actual or a very big trend. Okay, so what we are simply looking here is a trading bounce back. So let's start with the current price action and we then discuss about the overall trend looking forward. So we have two important levels to look at, because the stock is now in the last one and a half year, the stock is trying to set up a support level, and it has happened in the past, as you can see over here. So before the bounce back happens, the stock is setting up a support level like this. So there will be some big ups and downs, but overall if you are looking at this price chart, you will see these support levels. Okay, so stock is probably making its support level. So what we have here is 1.69 as your immediate support and 1.22 as your stop loss. So do respect these two levels and don't go below 1.22 in any case. Now if the stock or the share sustain above 1.22 and 1.69, the immediate target we have here on the upside is 2.88, right? So this is the immediate target that we are going to look at as far as the upside is concerned. So now your what you can see here, these three levels are your immediate price action that we can see in this particular chart. I think one more level is also there, and that is, here we are, one more level is also there beyond 2.88, and that is 4.47. So these are your four levels. On the downside 1.2 to 1.69, on the upside you have 2.88 and 4.47. so these are the four levels that you are going to look at as far as the trend is concerned. Right now, about the trading bounce back, that is the reason behind looking at this particular chart. So if you are looking at the overall trend, okay, if you are looking at the overall trend which looks like this, so this is the upper end of the range and now this is the lower end of the range, and it is very much clear that the stock has been moving in between this downtrending channel, and it is looking for or there is a probability of bounce back or substantial bounce back now after this brutal fall from the highs of, I know, anyhow, from the highs of 250 250. So but the curious thing is, there are four splits that you can see, and that is, I don't know, that is further push the price on the downside. So whether the splits is in the favor of the stock or not, that is yet to be seen. Anyhow, what we are looking at, as I have explained you, these four levels, and more specifically these two levels, 2.28 and 4.47 on the upside. Now if there is a price movement beyond 4.47, what we have here is your uptrending move, and the target that we are looking here will be in between 9 and $11 on the upside. Okay, so 9 and 11, so these are going to be your two big targets, and this is just for the sake of trading bounce back. Don't look forward beyond a certain range. In this case, this is the range 9 and 11. Once there is any breakout beyond specific levels, beyond in very important level, then we are going to reanalyze the trend, or we are going to check whether it's a candidate which will retest or which have the potential to go back to its previous high. But for the time being, this is just a trading bounce back. Play it in the same manner, and it will definitely take couple of weeks to couple of months, because this stock, although it's been in a downtrend, but understand the bounce back whenever the stock moves up and the overall trend is on the downside, the opposite trend, in this case the opposite trend is the upside move, is going to be very sharp and very quick. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.